Load balancer versus reverse proxy versus API gateway. As businesses increasingly rely on digital technologies to operate, web traffic and data is growing rapidly. This growth brings issues surrounding server performance, scalability, security, and many other infrastructure concerns. But how do you manage it all? Load balancer, reverse proxy, and API gateway are all technologies used to optimize and manage web traffic. However, they vary in their function and use cases. Understanding the differences between them is critical to choosing the right solution for your infrastructure needs. What are the differences between a load balancer, a reverse proxy, and an API gateway? All three are used to optimize and manage web traffic. However, they vary in their function and use cases. A load balancer is a server that distributes incoming network traffic across multiple servers. The goal is to ensure that no single server is overwhelmed with traffic, which can lead to slow response times or even downtime. Load balancers are ideal for high-traffic websites or applications that need to handle a large volume of requests. A reverse proxy, on the other hand, is a server that sits between the client and the web server. The reverse proxy intercepts requests from clients and forwards them to the appropriate server. The reverse proxy can also cache frequently requested content, which can help improve performance and reduce server load. Reverse proxies are ideal for websites or applications that need to handle a large number of concurrent connections. An API gateway is a server that acts as an intermediary between clients and back-end servers. The API gateway is responsible for managing API requests, enforcing security policies, and handling authentication and authorization. API gateways are ideal for microservices architectures, where multiple services need to be accessed through a single API.